Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to write summative assessment for the second term, grade 8. 8 сыныптарға арналған 2-ші тоқсанның тжб тапсырмасын түсіндіретін боламын. Task 1. Read the statements and write true or false and then explanations. The power of advertising over kids. Advertising has an influence on everyone in one way or another, but it especially has had an influence on children. Advertising influences children's choice of toys. If a television commercial displays children laughing and playing, children think it must be a great toy, regardless of the type. For example, my 3-year-old desperately wants a skateboard for Christmas. Every time he sees a skateboard commercial, he gets excited. He believes that if he had a skateboard, he would instantly have the same fun and skill as the boys on television. Another influence advertising has had is on the clothes children want to wear. Clothes from Walmart and Kmart are no longer satisfactory. Brand names such as Gap, Tommy Hilfiger, and American Eagle are much more appealing to them. My teenage daughter is constantly looking through catalogs and magazines, examining each outfit down to the last detail. Next, a lot advertising influences the food children want to eat. Cartoon characters are placed on boxes of foods such as crackers and cereals to influence young children. As long as companies to target our youth with advertising jingles, slogans, and cartoon characters, children and teenagers will continue to be influenced by the products with the most advertising appeal. So you must write here true or false and explanations. The first, children want to buy products they see in the advertisements if they don't know what is it. So the first is it is true. Why? Because explanation, advertising influences children's choice of toys. So the second, teens and children don't care about the latest fashion. Yes, it is false. Because another influence advertising has had on the clothes children want to wear. Next, companies don't use the famous cartoon characters to sell their products. It is also false because companies use cartoon characters to influence on children. Next task. The next task, read the article again and write answers. Төртінші сұрақ, what is the aim of an advertisement? Яғни реклама жасаудың, рекламаның мақсаты қандай? To have an influence on everyone. The next, what does a child believe if he has a skateboard? Егер балада скейтборд болса, ол неге сенеді? He would have the same fun and skills as the boy on television. The next, why does a teenage girl want to change her wardrobe? Неге жасөспірім қыздар гардеробын өзгерткісі келеді? Because to keep up with the latest fashion trends. Өйткені соңғы модадағы жаңа үлгідегі киімдерін кигісі келеді. So we have finished the next task, writing. Choose one of the topics to write. Topic 1, write a review of a computer game that you have played lastly. Tell about it. And the second topic, write a review of a gym you have visited lastly. Tell what and where is, and what can you do there in your opinion. So we have finished this task. And the next task speaking card 1, card 2 таңдап мына жерде сұрақтарға ауызша жауап беруге болады.